In this video, I will guide you on how to fix TikTok Repost not working. The first thing you want to do is launch open the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy. Once you get here, scroll down, then tap on free up space. Now find the option of cache. Next to it, you should find clear. Tap on that. Now tap on clear over here. Once that is done, you want to check if your issue is fixed. If not, you want to restart the app. For that, close TikTok app completely. Once that is done, relaunch TikTok and check if your issue is fixed. Next, you want to update the app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search TikTok. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once you have updated the app, launch open TikTok and now try reposting. It should now work without any issue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.